Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridwan Firmansah. My student's number is 192122004 and 6.
In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to finish your statistic assignment, particularly descriptive statistic. Here is the data and it has several questions. Those are, we have to measure central tendency such as mean, mode, median, and then measure variability such as range, quartiles, variance, and standard deviation. And we have to draw polygon either. Okay, let's start guys. And first of all, we have to make a table, frequently table, and the table consists of number x and then f or frequently and f times x. Yes, don't forget to give it the numbers. And next, let's have a look to the data. And then we should sequence the data from the minimum to the maximum. Finally, we get the minimum value in this data, that is 50, and put it on the column X. Next, there is 54 as the second minimum value of this data, and put it on the column X. Okay, if the data has been sequenced from the minimum to the maximums, next we are going to find out the frequency of each datum. Okay guys, look at the 54 and find it on the data how many it is appear in the data. Actually the time, so we could write it on the column F is 2. Okay guys, once more, look at the 58 and find it on the data how many it's appear in the data. Actually 3 times, so we could write it on the column F 3. Now we are going to find out the column F point X, easy peasy. Here you just need to multiply the two numbers between column X and column F. The result, put it on the column F point X. Repeat the steps till the end. And don't forget to tidy up the table. After that, calculate the total of each column. Let's move to the central tendency. There is mean. To find out mean, we will use formula. The formula is sigma x point f divided by sigma f is equal to 5,474 divided by 70 is equal to 78.2. Next, median. Attention, if you wanna find this one, ensure the data has been sequenced, and we will use the formula. And the formula is a half times 2n divided 2 plus n divided 2 plus 1. After that, fill the formula with the number that has been known. Okay, next, if you have already gotten the score of the median, in this case 35.5, let's move to the table and count the frequently table until 35.5 position, and finally we get 78 and 80, so the both of datum is divided by a half and the result is 79. Next is mode. I believe most of people has already known about mode. Yeah, mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. In this case, the mode is 80. Next, measure variability. There is range. To find out the range, simple. Look at the value maximum minus minimum. Yeah, that's all. After that, looking for the quartiles. For the quartiles 1, the formula is a quarter times 70 plus 1. Means a quarter times 71 is equal to 17.75. And look at the column frequently and count the position, and the result is 70. And then for the quartiles 2, the formula is a half times 70 plus 1. Means a half times 71 is equal to 35.5, and look at the column frequently and count the position, and the result is 79. After that, looking for quartile 3, and the formula is a 3/4 times 70 plus 1, and the same way. Next, interquartiles range. Simple. The formula is quartiles 3 minus quartile 1 is equal to 18. And then variance. The formula is sigma x minus x squared divided 70 minus 1, and the result is 145.99. Next, standard deviation. The formula is sigma x minus x squared divided n minus 1 and square root, and the result is 12.8. The last one is making polygon. The first step is make the scale. Here is using the scale from 1 to 8 and 10 to 100. After that, look at the table frequently. For example, number 1 is 50. It's frequently 1. It's 1, I mean. So, you put the dot between 50 and 1. And then after that, make a line to connect all of the dots. That's all. Thank you. I'm Ridwan Firman.